Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package from Lorene Plans. This is a store on Etsy that I love and I get a lot of my planner stickers from her. And I am a PR gal for her. So you can save 20% if you use the code TT.Scraps 20, and you'll see that down below with a link right to it. So you can just go ahead and use that and you can find some wonderful things for yourself. She has a wonderful shop. And she is actually looking for PR gals right now. If you go to Lorene Plans on Instagram, you can see the details. But she did ask if I would stay on for another 3 months. It's a 3-month deal. And I said that I would be honored to. So I am super excited. I do absolutely love her stickers. I would not PR for someone that I didn't have total faith and trust and love for. So, I do. I love her. I think that she's awesome. I love her stickers. She does a great job. And this is a free sample. And you can get 15% off with this sampler, but you can get 20% off if you use mine. And here is her information, LorenePlans.etsy.com. You can follow her on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. Pins and stickers, pins and tapes and stickers. Oh my. That's cute. Planner friends are the best friends. That's awesome. I agree. And oh my goodness, look how cute this is. This is the housework one, and it like opens up. And this is too cute with all the little housework, you guys. Tidy up, cleaning day, dust, clean these, vacuum, mop, cleaning day. It says the same thing again. And then there's dishes, sweeping, taking the trash out. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then over here, there's all sorts of different things, scrubbing and just cleaning and basic stuff and fun dusters. Very cute. And these fit into, she has these little leather cases that you can get, or they're not leather, but like this. And these fit right in and make it super nice. You can travel with them, or you can just use them on the weekly or whatever you want. I love them, and recommend those too. Oh, and this is cute. I think I ordered this, I just didn't remember, but it says YouTube and then date, video idea, film, edit, and post. So you can check it off as you do it. I know I ordered this. So this is really cool. This is a new something in her shop. She hadn't had these before. And then I thought this was really cute. It says birthday girl, and it has just different girls down here, and then just cute little birthday icons. Look at the kitty. Oh my goodness. And God bless America. Okay, so I think these are all kits, so let me go on with these that aren't kits. I got 2 of these because these are my stickers. This is me and my friend Lisa. We go on a coffee date every week, and I have a sampler that you can get when you use the code TT.Scraps. You get my sampler, and I got to pick out all of the stickers that are on it, and I asked her if she could do one of me and my friend having coffee and doing cheers, and this is what she came up with, and I absolutely adore it. So I got 2 sheets of those because I don't ever want to run out of these. I love them. And then this one is her fall unicorns. Look at how cute this is. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. Look at the little unicorn in the latte. Oh my gosh, and the pumpkin pie, all of it. Yes, please. And then these are foiled, and these are pay bills. Pay bills, realize I'm broke, and then pay bills. I think that's funny, because surely that's me. And then this one is her full sheet of tacos for Taco Tuesday. Isn't that cute? And some of these I did not order. She just threw them in here because she loves me. So cute. And then this is a neat thing. This is her weekly chore list. And then you can put one of these on every day. Laundry, 1 chore, 15-minute pickup, and then kitchen and dishes. So you know that you have those things to do each day, and then there's grocery shop and meal plan, And this is good for 2 weeks, it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it gives you a day off and 2 weeks of chores. That's kind of neat. I like that. Okay, now I think we are to, oh my goodness, they're so cute. So this one is called Best Friends. And I order the mini kits because that's what works best in my planner. She has full kits where they have, I think, 6 or 7 sheets of stickers, but the mini kits come with 3. And it comes with a full box. This is really cute with the double box. It says Best Friends. And then this one has the days of the week and the numbers and then the washi. And then this one has some checklists and some half boxes, quarter boxes, weekend sticker, planning sticker, payday, just all sorts of fun little functionals. And these work out great for me. So this is adorable. I love this. Best Friends. Can't wait to use it. I might have to use this one next. That's what I'm just thinking. But you know, every time I look at one of these, I'll probably say that. Except for this one. I won't use this one next because 4th of July is over for now. And I knew that when I ordered it, but I wanted it anyway because I didn't have anything for the 4th of July that I really liked. So I wanted to get something else. When I saw this one, I was like, yes, that's it. I love this truck. It says, God bless the USA. These are really cute. God bless everyone, really. This is so pretty. And then here are the functional. Here is the functional page. Super cute. Oh my goodness, I see a cow and I love it. This one is called Country Girl. And look at how cute that cow is. And the chicken. Oh my goodness. And this one, I think I ordered just the sheets because I don't think that she had the other sheet that I ordered. I think this was a different kind of a kit. It might be one of her older ones. I don't really know, but I really liked it. And it says H33B and this is H33A. So this must not be like a total kit. I don't know, but it's still really cute. And I thought that I would like to use that in my planner. That one might be nice for next too. And this one is Birthday Girl. One kit is just as cute as the next kit. I don't know which ones I like better. Oh, that's so adorable. You know I love the cat. And this I think is the same way. Yes. So this one just has the 2 sheets. Let me see if she calls this something because she has 2-piece kit. So these are 2-piece kits. But when you go on her website, I think it's very easy to navigate and you can tell right away what the different things are. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead and put that Birthday Girl with this because it matches. And I'm going to put this God Bless America one with this one. Oh, and you know what? I'm going to like this one. Forest Friends. So there's some washi. And this is little strips of washi. So there's several strips there. And then this is a 2-piece kit. But look at the hedgehog. Oh my word. Everyone must sit and take time to watch the leaves turn. Oh my goodness. All of these animals are so stinking cute. Look at him in his little knit hat. Or it's not little, his huge knit hat. Oh, I love it. This will be so pretty in the fall. I am ready for fall. Is anybody else? I know that it's summer and I should be happy about that. And I am, but I love the fall. Fall weather is my favorite. Oh, and this one looks kind of fall-y too, maybe. My daughter loves sunflowers, so this will remind me of her, and it's called You Are My Sunshine. And I love orange cats. I love any cats, but man, those are so cute. Choose to Shine. Ooh, that's cool. And then, oh gosh, I love this. I love the colors together. The orange and the yellow and the blue. And then here is the functional page with the weekend and planning time, laundry, all of it. Super cute. So that is everything I got from Lisa Lorene Plans, and I don't even know which one I want to use first because they are all so cute. I won't use the fall one. I won't use this one. I won't use the birthday one because it's not a birthday. I won't use that one. But one of these two. I might use this one. It's kind of the one I'm leaning toward right now. So thanks for watching, guys. And if you guys have any ideas for YouTube videos that you'd like for me to use, I can fill up my sheet. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Oh, and this one goes with Best Friends. How cute is that? Love it. So thanks again. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.